In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradients in Figma Linear, Radial, Angular, Diamond. Start by opening your design so you can see the canvas you want to work on. Click to select the object you want to fill. This can be a shape, a frame, or even text. Gradients work great on buttons, backgrounds, cards, and big display text. So choose something where color can make an impact. With your object selected, look to the right-hand panel and find the Fill section. Click the color square in that fill area to open the color pop. This is where everything happens. At the top of that pop-up, you'll notice it's probably set to solid by default. Switch from solid to one of the gradient options. The second icon is linear, which creates a smooth transition along a straight line, perfect for subtle background fades or button depths. Radial spreads color from a single center point outward in a circular way, which is great for spotlight effects or vignette-like glows. Angular, also called conic, rotates colors 360 degrees around a center point. Ideal for dials, charts, or a dynamic, energetic feel. Diamond is similar to Radial but pushes the gradient into a diamond shape, giving you a more geometric highlight. Now let's customize. On the gradient slider, you'll see color stops. Click a stop to edit its color and adjust its opacity if you want softer edges or transparent fades. To introduce more nuance, click anywhere along the slider to add additional stops. A couple of well-chosen stops can add richness, just avoid adding too many or your gradient can look muddy. On the canvas, you'll also see gradient handles. Drag these directly on your object to reposition where the gradient starts and ends. Pull them wider to soften the transition. Bring them closer for a sharper blend and rotate the handles to change the gradient's angle. The same idea applies across types, with Radial and Diamond. Moving the center point shifts the focus, with Angular. Rotating the control changes how the colors wrap around. As you tweak, think about contrast and purpose. For backgrounds behind text, keep the midpoint bright or dark enough for legibility. Align your stops with brand colors and keep the transition smooth to avoid banding. And that's it. Thanks for watching.